Nearly 100,000 Toyotas, Lexus, and Subarus are being recalled because of issues with their HVAC systems. The parent company of the three brands says the cars have defective windshield defrosters, which could increase the risk of a crash. The vehicles are from the model years 2023 to 2025, and car owners are being notified by letter.
Hey, thanks for watching. And don't forget, you can catch the Today Show every morning on NBC or take Today when you're on the go. Just follow the Today podcast on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you listen.